Hi, welcome to this magical realm of left angles. Today I want to make an announcement for a series of videos that we're gonna do where we do a deep dive into the different structures that are part of the jitterbug, the dance of the Tao, as they are explored in synergetics. And to start it off, I would like to show you this here, which is a dozenaroundone spheres, which is also known as the vector equilibrium, like this one or this one, which is the geometry of zero. But we will do a specific video on that, as we will on this and this and this and that one, because there's a lot to say about each of them. But today let's just dive into how they connect, because they are all part of this. And this right here is a model of that vector equilibrium, like so, just without the core in the center. So without that, the rest of the thing is able to move and transform. And while this here is the point of the most extents, which is really a point of balance. It's not static in any sense. This is the vector equilibrium, but it can contract if there is no core. And there is this point here where the diagonals of what seem to be squares now is of the same length as the edges of these triangles. So that is our friend the icosops, or 20eyes. From there we go to this point. Whoop, that point. You know that point. This state here, I'm going to put it down. I have two hands for it. So that's the 8eyes. From there we can collapse it in this way. So now we got a base of two frequent tetrops, like this one. Cut off the top and you get this. Then we have a two frequency triangle or left angle, and from there we get to the foureyes, the tetrops. And this is the point where space-time can actually fold around, so that what was inside becomes outside and vice versa, and the whole dance can start anew. So with this we have a model of a dynamic model of space-time with its inherent four planes of symmetry and with its inherent wave behavior. So even though these things I'm playing with are particles, they really are waves that are interwoven in a way that they make particles. And this behavior here is precisely the behavior of electromagnetic waves. And while looking at what we call space, the space beyond Earth, we might think of it as a very empty and dark place, but is it really, if it's full of light? The thing is, you can only see the light that is coming straight at you, like so, coming from the center of a star, radiating out towards you. But what you can't see is the stuff going around here, because that's gravity. So there's the light pointing at you, but at the same time the light emitted from that center goes in every direction, all around, and it is moving as a spherical wave. So that is the dance of the Tao, and the next couple of videos where we'll explore in depth the separate stages of that and what they can tell us. So stay tuned.